Remember those moments in sci-fi movies where people seamlessly interact with their computers, and the AI just gets it? Like Jarvis in Iron Man, but without the flashy holograms, or Skynet's apocalyptic vibes. Well, welcome to the future, because Google AI Studio Live is turning that fiction into reality. With Stream Realtime, your computer becomes more than just a tool, it's a partner. It processes your screen in real time, deciphers your commands, and responds with incredible speed and accuracy. Whether you're crafting Excel formulas, debugging Python code, or brainstorming your next big idea, this AI is here to collaborate, not just compute. Gone are the days of struggling through endless trial and error. Need a quick analysis of your data? Done. Want clean, efficient code written on the fly? Consider it solved. While Hollywood's AIs often lean toward drama and dystopia, Stream Realtime is all about practicality, enhancing creativity, simplifying workflows, and giving you the superpowers you need to work smarter. Think of it as your digital sidekick, always reliable, infinitely patient, and ready to bring your ideas to life. But it's more than just a sidekick. Stream Realtime is a teacher, mentor, and tutor all rolled into one. Whether you're learning a new skill, troubleshooting an issue, or refining your work, it guides you step by step, offering explanations, insights, and solutions tailored to your needs. It's like having an expert in every field at your fingertips, ready to assist, inspire, and empower you. Let's jump in and see what it can do. Let's see a couple of demos to better understand how Google AI Studio Live works and whether it can truly make a difference in your workflow. First, we'll start with Excel. Imagine you're working on a dataset that includes customer details like first name, last name, and sales amount, but you need to create a full name column for better clarity and organization. Traditionally, you'd be typing out formulas or manually merging the cells. But with Stream Realtime, we can do this seamlessly and quickly with the help of AI. Navigate to your browser and then type in aistudio.google.com. And then on the left panel, click on Stream Realtime. You click on the microphone button at the bottom and click on Allow if it asks you to. Now we can talk to AI. Hey there, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help?
I require some assistance on Excel workbook. Let me share my screen.
Okay, I'm ready when you are. Please share your screen.
Now click on the video icon that you see at the bottom of the screen and click Screen to share your screen. The AI will now be able to see your screen and assist. Let us continue. Let me know when you are able to see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen. What do you need help with?
Can you see an Excel workbook now?
Yes, I see an Excel sheet. Is there anything in particular you'd like help with?
I have the first name and last name in column C and column D. And now in column I want to join the first name and last name.
Okay, so you want to combine the first and last names from column C and D into column I, separated by a space.
That's right.
You can use the concatenate function or the AND operator to do that. Would you like me to demonstrate how?
Yes, please.
Sure, I can walk you through it on your screen.
Yeah.
Let's start with the concatenate function. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay, in cell I1, type in equals concatenate.
Yes, in column I1, I have the header. Can you see that?
Yes, I see an error in I1.
No, not an error. In I1, there is column header name. Should I write it there or on I2?
You should start writing in cell I2, since I1 is the header.
Okay, what do I write?
Type equals concatenate, open parenthesis. Now click on cell C2.
I did that.
Then type a comma, open quotation mark, space, close quotation mark, and another comma. Now click on cell D2 and then close the parentheses. Great, now hit enter.
Okay, that's great. I now see the full name.
Perfect. Now you can drag the little square at the bottom right of cell I2 down to apply the formula to the rest of the rows.
This one.
Click on that square and drag it down.
Perfect, that works.
Fantastic. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nothing for now, well thank you. As you can see, Stream Real-Time isn't just about completing tasks, it's about making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're cleaning up data or doing complex calculations, the AI adapts to your needs. Now, let's switch over and see how it can help us with Python programming. Now that we've seen how Stream Real-Time can help with Excel, let's dive into Python programming. To give you a real sense of how this tool works, let's try a programming task and see how AI can assist in writing code, debugging, and speeding up the development process. We'll explore whether this tool can truly enhance the way we write and troubleshoot Python scripts. Hey there, write a Python code to input two numbers and then get the multiplication of those two numbers.
Okay, I will guide you through the code. First, let's get the two inputs. I will use a variable named num1 to get the first input and num2 to get the second. Do you follow me so far?
Where do I type in that? Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. To type in, just start typing directly into your editor. Correct. And now you'll want to assign the input function to that variable.
Hold on. I have just written num1 on the screen. What else do I do now?
Yes, I see num1 on your screen. Now you need to assign the input function to it, so type num1 equals input, followed by parenthesis. Do you know how to do it?
Yes, and then,
Yes, and inside the parentheses, you should put a prompt, like enter the first number, so you type it as a string. Good. Now do the same for num2, but this time with enter the second number.
okay, I will copy-paste.
Perfect. Now you have two variables with inputs. What's the next step you think we should do?
Maybe multiply the two numbers.
Correct. How would you write that in Python?
Not sure, can you assist me with that?
Sure, you can create a new variable called product, and then you should assign the multiplication of num1 and num2 to it. Now, you need to use the multiplication operator between the two numbers. What is the multiplication operator?
Is that X?
No, the multiplication operator in Python is the asterisk symbol, the star key.
Okay, get that.
Try again, using the star symbol.
Yes, I've added that, can you see?
Yes, I can see that you have num1 star num2. Great job. Now, what's the next thing you need to do?
Now I want to print this.
That's correct. You can use the print function and put the product variable inside it. And you are all set. Run the code. There's a green triangle button in the top right corner. Click that.
Okay, I see triangle button. Is it this one?
Yes, click that triangle. Type your first number and then press enter.
It says enter the first number. Let me type 10 and the second number as 8.
And you should get the product printed on the screen as 80. Was it correct?
No, got an error, can't multiply sequence by non-int of type string.
It seems like the inputs are being treated as strings instead of numbers. This means you need to convert them to numbers before multiplying them.
And how do I do that?
You can use the int function to convert the inputs to integers. You'll wrap the input function in each line inside the int function.
I didn't follow that. Elaborate, please.
Go back to where you are taking the input of the numbers. There, where you have the input, you can wrap it in a new function called int. You can wrap it around the input, so start by typing int, and then put the input inside those parentheses.
Okay, I got that. Let me run it now. Let me type 10 and the second number as 8.
Okay, perfect. Let's try that.
I got the result. Yeah,
You're very welcome. Feel free to ask if you have any other questions in the future.
look at how the AI not only generates the code, but also asks thoughtful questions and offers detailed explanations for each part. It's not just a coding assistant, it's like having a tutor and knowledgeable teacher who guides you step by step. Whether you're learning Python or tackling complex problems, this AI adapts to your pace and style of learning. And the best part, you can be completely shameless in asking questions. No fear of judgment, no hesitation. Need the basics explained again? No problem. Want to dive deeper into advanced concepts? It's got you covered. This is learning and problem solving on your terms. in a truly supportive and non-judgmental environment. This demonstrates just how powerful Stream Realtime can be in the world of Python programming. From writing efficient code to debugging and understanding complex libraries, this tool is a real game changer. That being said, Stream Realtime isn't just limited to Excel and Python. It can also assist with designing UI, creating presentations, video editing, and many other tasks across your workflow. The possibilities are endless. And who knows, if Google can take this AI to the next level, where it can take full control of my screen to not just write formulas, but also design layouts or even edit videos, that would be truly astonishing. However, it's important to note that since the AI can read the data on your screen, it's advised that you avoid sharing sensitive or private information with it to protect your privacy. Thanks for watching the demo. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insights and tutorials. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, VK signing off.